river. First question, which is the largest ocean in the world? Answer, Pacific Ocean. Second question, which is the smallest ocean in the world? Answer, Arctic. Third question, total number of continents in the world? Answer, 7 continents. Fourth question, total number of oceans in the world? Answer, 5 oceans. Fifth question, Dead Sea is located between which two countries? Answer, Jordan and Israel. Sixth question, which is the longest river in the world? Answer, Nile River. Seventh question, which is the second longest river in the world? Answer, Amazon River. Eighth question, which country is also known as Land of the Midnight Sun? Answer, Norway. Ninth question, which country is known as the playground of Europe? Answer, Switzerland. 10th question, which country is also known as the land of thousand lakes? Answer, Finland. 11th question, in which country white elephant is found? Answer, Thailand. 12th question, which continent has the highest number of countries? Answer, Africa. 13th question, which country is known as the battleground of Europe? Answer, Belgium. 14th question, which country is also known as the land of tulips? Answer, Netherlands. 15th question, which is the largest tropical rainforest in the world? Answer, Amazon rainforest. Your 16th question, which is the biggest island in the world? Answer, Greenland. 17th question, which mountain is known as the roof of the world? Answer, Pamir. 18th question, in which country Yellowstone National Park is located? Answer, USA. 19th question, emu bird is found in the country? Answer, Australia. 20 question, which country has the highest number of time zones? Answer, France. 21st question, which country has most number of lakes? Answer, Canada. 22 question, which is the capital city of Spain? Answer, Madrid. Your 23rd question, which country has the world's largest prison population? Answer, USA. 24 24th question. What is the name of the first person to walk on the moon? Answer: Neil Armstrong. 25th question. The historic city of Machu Picchu is located in the country. Answer: Peru. 26th question. Which is the longest river on earth? Answer: Nile River. 27th question. The headquarters of World Bank is located at? Answer: Washington. 28th question. What is the name of the densest forest in the world? Answer: Amazon rainforest. 29th question. The World Bank is founded in the year? Answer: 1944. 30 question. Which city is known as the city of two continents? Answer: Istanbul. 31 question. The Valley of Kings is located in the country? Answer: Egypt. 32 question. The Andes mountain range is found in the continent? Answer: South America. 33 question. What is the name of the smallest continent? Answer: Australia. 34th question. Cadbury chocolate was first founded in the city? Answer: Birmingham. 35th question. Where the headquarters of Google is located? Answer: California. 36th question. Which is the main source of energy for the earth? Answer: sun. 37th question. When the social media site Facebook was first founded? Answer: 2004. Your 38th question. Which is the longest river in America? Answer: Missouri River. 39th question. Peking city is also known as? Answer: Beijing. 40 question. Vietnam War was ended in the year? Answer: 1975. 41 question. Which country has the highest number of internet users in the world? Answer: China. 42 question. Which country first introduced the bullet trains? Answer: Japan. 43 question. In which country Serengeti National Park is located? Answer: Tanzania. 44 question. Ringgit is the currency of which country? Answer: Malaysia. Question number 45. International Women's Day is celebrated on answer 8 March. Question number 46. How many countries are border with the Black Sea? Answer: 6 countries. 47th question. The Kalahari Desert is located in which continent? Answer: Africa. 48th question. Which is the largest country by population in African continent? Answer: Nigeria. 49th question. Mediterranean Sea is connected to which ocean? Answer: Atlantic. Your last question. Which is the first country to allow women vote? Answer: New Zealand.